Welcome one and all to the Great Dragon Fair. I will be your guide through the world of dragons, many of whom you will meet at this fair. Every night in the sky, we see Draco the Dragon. The Greek hero Cadmus defeated Draco in a great battle and threw the dragon into the sky. Draco remains there forever, coiled around the North Star.
Little Jackie Paper, love that
knights who are competing in a tournament. This is how. Great courage. There are no longer imperial dragons who rule the four winds. And he wanted to save the fair maidens.
But gadzooks! I think I hear the sound of distant thunder. Yes, it is! A huge dragon with wings, flashing eyes, and great size.
Dragons in our great dragon fair have had a chance to meet all of you. The great English dragon bids everyone goodbye. And now, may all of you live as happily ever after as long as dragons.
Come down here.